you painting, darling?
A big octopus.
Who are you painting it for?
Iris, take Enid back to just you lure it back with some food. Leave her back.
Who are you painting, Job?
Oh, I'm painting the old dog.
Is that Jake?
Well,
And what are you painting, Penelope?
I'm painting this ostrich. Is it an ostrich or a
I think that one on the
emu?
right is an emu, I think.
Excuse me.
are you doing it, Iris? That's it.
Now, let me guess. Who are you painting, James?
Painting the new dog. Under duress. That's it, Cleo.
Hello, William.
Hello.
That looks distinctly like a snail. And Adam, I can see that
Cleo.
that looks rather like a goat, does it not?
I think so. Hopefully.
But it's taking great.
And how's your self-portrait coming on, Ivor?
Well, I'm just wondering whether to put glasses on or not,
Aha.
really.
I think I've
Hello,
got
Mum.
transparent brown here. Look,
That's exciting.
look. Can you get me a normal one, please?
Okay,
If you're not doing anything.
I am. But I'll get you some. Sorry.
Sorry. Is that all right?
Hello, Iris. Now, this was the first painting finished today, wasn't it? And what animal is this?
Meerkat.
A meerkat.
Meerkat. Ah.
That's a great meerkat. And what have you painted, Cleo? A panda? That's a wonderful panda. Is that another animal there next to him?